This is to enhance, yes, is to enhance. What about number 3? Yalla, let's go for number 3. Okay, this is trust. Did we solve this question? What is the answer, guys?
40.
40?
Compression.
Compression? Easy or not easy? We can solve it, up to you. If you need to solve it, let us solve it. Let's solve it. Can I we have trust, this trust, asking about CD. ID, E, D. We need CD, force and CD. Force and CD, this is the force I need. So we need to cut in this direction. Some engineer teams who works on 5 real and 5 real before, but you who works on same time. And then you previous I not collected. You might tell me 5 and 15. 15 guys. Let's see. We'll cut here. We'll cut here. It's okay now. Let's cut here. So before we cut here, let us get the reaction. For me, easy. I will get the moment at here. I will get moment here. I will get R1. R1 equal will be R1 equal what? Equal all these forces and 18 multiply 15. 15 and 15 plus 18 multiply 30 plus 18 multiply 45. How come this is already? We have 15 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 divided. Divided and 1 2 3 4 5 6 15 multiply 6. That will equal here 45 plus 30 and 75 plus 15 by 90 multiply 18 equal 90 divided 90. But this is equal 18 kills. Here is 18. Help. If I will cut here, I will take this part only. So I will take this part only. This part only. Forget about this part. This part does not exist now. Okay, when you cut here, this one now, and here is we meet in this way. Take moment at joint C. Moment. at joint C equal 0 equal 0. طيب حلو، يبقى دي 18 in this direction. يبقى 18 multiply 1 2 3 45. 18 in this direction, make it 8 in this direction, minus 18 multiply 15. Okay, should be over 0, but that means this in the same direction of this force. This way, this 8 will be this way. Minus what? Minus CDF. CD multiply distance 20. What is this? Vertical? 20. Yeah. 20. Yubqa 20. Yubqa now 18 multiply 30. Yubqa F CD equal 18 multiply 30 divided 20. Here is 9. Is equal what? Something like that. So,
I think it's 18 times 60.
18 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 60. See guys, 60. This should be 60. When you are here is 18. You are here 18 multiply 45. So, multiply 45 divided 20. So, يبقى here is 10, 9. يبقى 9 يبقى equal now 900, almost 400, 05 divided 10 equal 40.5. 40.5. That help. The force now in this direction. You put your finger here, as I told you, this means what? It's compression. Yubqa here, this force is almost when you are minus 40.5 compression. Give us the answer. In your exam, all questions coming in class, sometimes a lot coming in this direction and asking you about this member or this member. If you have this member, asking about use method of joint, method of joint. But if you are coming here, method of joint. Sorry, section, method of section. Here, if this member or this member, use method of joint. Help. Let us go for number. Some engineers came now. Homework.
I didn't, but I have.
Done?
Yeah.
10, 15. I will connect it today. Fine. Let us go for number 4. Number 4, guys, is not from previous exams. Again, it's repeated. But how did you think about it? How you think about it? This is you are adding loads, scenarios. Load scenario A, scenario 2. Okay. I will send this. I will send the class tomorrow morning. I send all the solution about this in detail. Okay, but this is not from previous exams. This is to enhance. I told you guys, try to solve the homework. Yes, it's very important. It's very important. Such questions never ever come to your exam. But what you have to do now, you are getting more confidence if you solve such question. Number 4, number 5. Let's go for number 5. Number 5. If all of you solve the number 5 correct, we will go for 5-star. The answer is A. Statically determinate and stable. And you are losing the A. You are losing the challenge now. 5-star hotel. I gave. Told you what, the minute time. 5-star hotel in the front of. Thank you very much. Stable or not stable?
Number of joints.
Stable or not stable? Stable. I will give you now some A stable. Why is stable? Because a joint multiply 2 equal total member plus unknowns. Very good. I am happy. I will give you now little bit some hints. Y is wrong. You have a truss. This is your truss. Case A and case B. How many joints? Here in A, 4. 4 multiplied 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus is this not stable? Yeah, okay, what here? Dimension. Put here a member. Now stable? Okay. Case B. Case B, let us see. Case B. How many? 4. Still, but here what? Okay. Very good. Take moment here. You can calculate what? Okay. Now, take moment here, you can calculate that here. Take moment here. You can calculate fraction.
No.
Why?
Because the reaction is.
Because there's 3 reaction meet in one point.
Yeah.
If I am, this is the line of action of the reaction. Line action of the reaction. Meet in here. And this line, this is the line of action of the reaction here. You R1 and R2 and R3. All of them meet in one point. Means what? Any force here or here or whatever take this heat, it will move. Because reaction here is 0. You cannot. And all the 3 points mean what? All this structure, it will move. You imagine if the 3 reaction meet in one point, if any system, any structure system, and all the reaction meet in one point, it will be this system, it will move. It will be failed, it will be failure, it will be overturning, it will be uplifting, it will be slides, whatever. Sliding, but sure, now come here, you can calculate here, this is direction. Here, you can calculate.
Yes.
Take moment here, you can calculate both loads here, and loads here, B. You can calculate, take moment here, you can calculate or not, is equal 0. Because B multiplied by such meaning what?
Yes, dear.
Sorry, it's not 0. You are going to calculate here, and you calculate here. Take moment here, you can calculate this one or not. You can R1, you calculate sigma x is equal 0, that is B. And here, sigma y, you can calculate here, sigma y is equal 0, because this is 0. You can calculate. But this case, all the force, all the reaction between one point, that meaning is not stable. But this case is stable because the roller support is in a good direction. Great, guys. You have a number B. The answer is not perfect. The answer number B is that. Let us go for number. What else we have? Number 6. Which one of the following statement is true? But this is the case, guys. This is the case. This is the roll of support. Okay. Let us go for number 6. increase in project scope is likely to increase project cost. We talk about it. Any cost, any scope change, for sure 100% it will be cost and time. It's not mandatory time. It's not mandatory time, but cost 100%. 100%. Why is not mandatory time? Because maybe the scope, the areas of the scope change is not a critical path. It's not, and you cannot prove it. Your critical path, when you submit our baseline program, it's already clear how many critical paths and everything. We have analysis for it and approval for it. Approved. In the end, we'll see, are this scope change coming in the critical path? If even you update your program, what is the impact due to this scope change? Or this impact coming in the critical path? It's come, khalas. It will, for sure, 100% you have extension of time. But if you don't, if it's not in the critical path, khalas, I am happy. That's meaning no time, but cost 100%. Cost 100%. Like number 7. Number 7. The answer is A. An increase in project scope is likely to increase project cost. Number B, a decrease in the project time is likely to increase project quality.
No.
Nothing related to each other. Nothing related. Okay, we'll discuss about quality now. We'll discuss about quality and finish the quality as well. Right, go for number C. An increase in the project quality requirements is likely to decrease project cost. It's reverse.
Yeah.
Right, and a decrease in the project cost is likely to decrease project time. Nothing to do. Number 1, number A is more effective answer. A communication management plan identifies the relevant information that's scheduled that should be communication to with whom. I want to read project team. Stakeholder in our project, stakeholder, all individual or organization impacted negatively or positively. A stakeholder, it's not project team. All the guys working in your project, they have suppliers, subcontractors, they have project team. AC. So all the people, and they have project team. If even you are working in a particular as a site engineer, you have your project team under you. The project team is wrong answer. Don't take diamond stuck in our exam about the terminology we discuss about stakeholder risk. What is the definition of risk? What about the cost fixed, contract fixed price? We are going to discuss about this one later on as well. And through our exercise, it's giving our exam mood. Number 8. Which one of the following is least likely to be success criteria? Least. Least. B. The date by which the project is to be complete. Wow. 97.7 from Qatar projects in Qatar is behind schedule. 97.9. Imagine. That means we have 2.1 of time. Yes, exactly. Yes. There you go. Go for municipality, website. You'll read all the statistics. All you can find this one in the website. You can say 90. Let's ask why. This is challenging, guys. When you are finishing your project on time, this is challenging. It's challenging. It is. If I have project 45 days and I will finish it in 43 days, this is challenging. Yes, nothing. This is we see least. Be careful about underline. Number 8, a target for the project to receive 0 change. Go ahead. Homework done? Done? No? 5 riyal, but go down. Could collect 50, 5, 10, 15, and 5. Right. Yeah. A target of the project to receive 0 change in our project. We have 0 change. This is a amazing project. Wallah, variation. VO number 1, VO number 2, VO number 3, VO. There is procedures even for approval for variation order. Variation. There is a procedure. Cannot get certain. There is a procedure. Extraction approval, claims. There is for each particular project, there is a procedure for variation, how to deal with the variation. If even in our contract, read our contract, anyone, we have the opportunity now to read our contract clauses. Go for your project right now and pick up the contract condition and read it. It will enhance you a lot. Yes. In our exams, it will enhance you a lot. You will read a lot of areas coming in our exams. We will see. You now zero change. This is amazing. This is very challenging. You an A will be wrong. Type dealing, delivery of products that meet requirement is specification. Yeah, every day we change the requirement. Ceramic tiles is 50 multiply 50 or 60. I'm bringing change. No, we can sometimes 8 mm. I will bring 6 mm. Nobody knows, yeah. And in the middle of the day, the person that came with caliber, yes. No, 6 mm. فضيحة. Stop the work. It's not happening. I told you about some Zabaib is 2 mm and 3 mm. Nobody knows, wallahi, but I bring 3 mm. I don't like. Zabaib is, if you see Zabaib is 1.25. 1.25 inch. Yani Zabaib is like that exactly. And the thickness 2.7 to 2.9 to 3 mm. You have this 3 diameter thickness. 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and 3 mm. Imagine how can you by your own eyes, if you go for 2.7, 2.3, nobody can know. Nobody can know. If even all of them, they are trying, Allah, by it's very nice. Okay. But this is happening. A lot of it is happening. So you allow delivery. This is challenging. This is and this is the quality. This is the quality. If even you are dealing with a consultant, he don't know that this is by is 2.2 or 2.7 or whatever, but this is the quality. Does mean what? Faithful for requirements. Faithful for requirements. I'm taking the opportunity here. Such as cases, you are playing quality. Yes, your building is fantastic. I will finish by 2.2. What is the difference between 2.2 and 3? We said quality. I am not faithful for the requirement. Nobody knows. What is the difference? I said not faithful for requirements. Then I faithful? But here is specification and the requirement. What is the difference between both? When I'm talking about requirements and specification, it's very close, very close, very close. Requirement, I need in this room 40 chairs. 40 chairs. Specify the chair. Each chair should be iron, steel, sphinx, leather, wood, blah, specify. Like what else we need? I need the chair to last with me 10 years. Wait. Which material it will give me lifetime? I will use this chair for 10 years. Now we will play in quality. Now, if this 2.2 mm, it will give you the same 3 mm, or it is? Sure, 100%. Because when you are welding 3 mm pipe, different than you are welding 2.2. Why? When the welding, when you see the thickness, that's meaning give you what? Give you more strength. Even the welding, that means what? The pipe for sure, 3 mm, it will give you 10 years. What will happen in the pipe too? Some cracks will happen in what? In the welding areas. And the rains, whatever, some water and rusted. After 7 years, let us change or take it a good sort of time. And now I pay money for 10 years to give me a product for 10 years, but unfortunately I give him production for 7 years. Did I play in quality? I play a lot in quality, but nobody knows. A fitness for the borrowers, number one. Faithful for the requirement. Now, how to reach to this level? How to reach this level? With what? With system. We call it what? Quality assurance. We have quality assurance and quality control. What is the difference between quality assurance and the quality control? If I'm saying now, what I did now, anybody going with me to check, he will do what? The consultant come with me to check. He will do what? Validate the scope. Validate the scope. Did I build for the scope? Did I already do the right things? Okay? And I should do what? I should do inspect the material delivered on site. Class. The guy, the delivery note telling me 3 mm. But it's 2.2 mm. But the document telling you 3 mm. You are happy? I'm happy. But still something wrong in the material. So I will take a part from this material and inspect it. Could be inspected by your own self or sending to a laboratory or whatever, anything. And it's that feedback. It's a report. Whatever report telling you 2.2. Stand on that. You are, it's not the consultant, it's not the owner. Now you are inspected. This is quality control. But the quality assurance thing, you have to take sample to inspect. Quality assurance thing, you don't take, there is a procedure. Delivery on time, the material, the supplier delivered you in the evening. In the evening. Now already the material waiting in your gate, project gate in the evening. Don't offload the material until second day. To your system. This is the system. So the guy now, something like that happened. Delivery the material and offloading in the evening. Second day, you found out that already approved and the storekeeper and everything. But unfortunately, the pipe is 2.2 and it's already written 3 mm. Okay, plus 3 mm. Go your office. No, I'm not talking about consultant now. I am contractor now. I am the one contractor now. Okay, this is a way. This is a quality assurance telling you no. It's not matter of you have shop drawings approval and suppliers approvals and that's meaning you are complying with the quality assurance plan. No. Quality assurance and the quality control and the quality management coming from your top CEO of your company. If the guy have vision, he will. If the guy he don't know what does mean quality, خلاص خليه. Don't try to talk in your team as you are a project manager and you are responsible. Try to establish this what we call it vision or mission or whatever in your team. Establish the company in this way and you are in this way. This is a quality. It's not matter of shop drawings approval and you are not starting any activity before this approvals. No, it's matter of all the team should be know what does it mean quality. Quality fitness for the borrowers. This is very important. Like we give guarantee for our waterproofing membrane, the rooftop. How many years? 15 years.
just
15 years. 10 years, 15 years. There is a particular fire-rated paint for warehouses. We give 15 years guarantee. For cladding, for sheeting, sandwich paneling, sheeting, we give 15 years. صح؟ We give. طب assume يا عمي you already now after tomorrow there is a rain and you already handing over your project in October. And the rain dip and all the rooftop leakage. Are this quality? حبيبي لا. This is not quality. يبقى أنا how to reach this level? Because you don't have system. You are not having system. If you are a very big company, and you reach to have this level, it's happened in 2016 in Hamad Airport. مش عارف ايه ودب water fall down. It's happened because that means this even the company failed to fulfill the requirement. Leakage. What is the guarantee? I need no one water drop from this ceiling slab for 15 years. Now, after 15 years, I will check the steel enforcement is the same condition. But unfortunately, this is not happening. This is a responsible at this time. Company, project manager, all the people after hand over the project. Hand over the project, we have 400 days liability, correct? Okay, but we give guarantee for 15 years.
Yeah.
If even after 400 days, another 2 years, you are responsible. They will come to me. Of course, they are going to, of course. We are giving guarantee guys for 15. Anything happen. This is happen in more Gulf warehousing. They are losing customer because of this image. Gulf warehouses before it was monopoly. Qatar was monopoly for warehousing. All of us are Gulf warehousing, GWC. They are very famous. They are #1 in warehousing and the logistics. They are having even logistic village in industrial area before. In 2012, 2013, 2014, they are #1 in Qatar. Okay? Home center, all these people go for taking rental or purchase or whatever. Companies, they are even the screw for the sheet, the labor is not skilled. The screw chip is not like that. There is a message of statement to install the. There is a gap between the screw and the sheet. This gap full of water. Through the time, this is very easy rusted material. One winter, dip, nothing, that's okay, happy. Second winter, يا معلم, all the warehouses, disaster. All the people lost their goods. The Lulu have losses in this time around 5 million Qatar riyal. Home center have losses 7. Yes, it's happened. They are calling the company. Okay, we'll pay all this defects for the supplier, GWC, but they are running after whom? After the contractor who did the job and fighting and went to the court, even until now in the court. Arbitration. Yeah, arbitration. Yes, a lot of issues happen in this case. In quality. Even the labor, he don't know how the screw. You can't just screw, yeah, nothing to do. Screw. But the screw is not in the right place. It's not as a message of statement. You are telling why we are submitting message of statement. Quality assurance. We get approval, we get everything. But in the end, there is water. So what does it mean? That means they're coming from the companies, coming from the owner, coming from the people who are running the company. But this is a quality.
Why we put
Consultant to validate the scope and try to control, but he cannot control everything. Should be coming from you as a contractor, coming from me. Nobody inspect me. I will make sure that everything. This is quality. Why we will go for tube type? And now we have 60,000 Qatar riyal in your pocket. Now, assume 60,000 Nissan Sentra, Toyota Corolla. 60,000. Nissan Sentra is 60,000. You have 60,000 in your book. Okay? Where you are going to go? For Toyota or Sentra? Why? It's not their product. This is their product. I will use it for 5 years without even putting a screw in it. Their product is not because good company. This is a quality telling you because their product. I'm going to use it for 5 years. This is fitness for the purpose. For 5 years, I will not put screw. Means what? I will not spend money on it. But the Nissan Sentra is very and very nice. But after 1 year, I'm telling you, change the gear. It's happened. It's happened. Yes, believe me. I told you. I already drive these sports cars, Nissan Sentra, and after 1 year, this is a gear I would change it. But you get the Corona for 5 years, even 7 years, you will never. The same difference now. If you go for this pen and this pen from Germany, and this pen from China. See, China. Tell me what is the difference. I am going to buy this pen by 1 Qatar Riyal. It will tell me you are going to use it for 1 day. Happy? Happy. And this pen for 10 Qatar Riyal from Germany, and you are going to use it for 10 days. What's the difference between them? There's a big difference. No, great. You can say great. The difference between them, great. Okay, great. Stop? No. Let us use it for 1 day. I will use this pen for 1 day. I am using this one pen and I am very happy with 1 day. Very good. I put the cover here and put it in my chair. And after that, I found how this put here. I will show you. That? It gives you 1 day. It gives you 1 day. But in the end, are you happy? Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. But the pen, Germany pen, it will give me 10 days. And I will put it here. Safe. See? Now it's still great, but quality issues still is there, the quality issues. These people failed to design the cap to protect hands, shirts. You have to say that sky, anyone can use this pen and put it here. Assume. Son? Assume. So in their production, if they fail, if they have a quality assurance, quality control system wrong, something wrong. So they can take feedbacks from me, Mr. Yasser will give you 100 riyal back. It's not bad. And they will make you happy. But give us why you are not satisfied with this. Then I told them because it's okay. The check, how much you check? It's 100 riyal. I will give you 100 riyal. I am happy now. I am happy now. Okay, but next time, guys, please make this pen very good. Next time I will buy, I will use it 1 year, and I will put here nothing. I am happy now. I will go for them again. This is the quality. This is how to manage your quality. Simple. These German people, they know. They are new. They are monopoly of the market. Yes. Chinese people, right now, they are developing their country. Yes, 1 Qatar because this is a great. A lot of people, they don't have value of money. The value of money. I have value of money. I have only 1 Qatar Riyal. Let us go for 1 Qatar Riyal only. But other people have 100 Qatar Riyals. They can go for 10. It's okay. Value of the money. Now, if even 1 Qatar Riyal you have, that I will make you happy with this 1 Qatar Riyal. This is the quality. Both of them, Ben, the difference between grade is not quality. But if I am going to use it within 1 day and give me trouble, you must quality. And this, if give me trouble within 10 days, you have quality. Class? This in general. In our classes, let us do number 8. Number 8. Number 8 is what? You have A with B with C. It's all of them is high challenging. It's high. You have D. The awarding of bonus to senior management. Yes. Senior management always give bonus for our success, and we don't get. It's happened. It's happened a lot. The senior teams get bonus from the lowest team, and the lowest teams are working hard in the end. Who take? This is the least success. See, break, very great, huh? With number 8. Go for number 9. Which of the following is valid project key performance indicator? Valid. Number D, actually, stop B. D. I told you the senior management, they are taking bonus. This is the least. Number 9. Which one of the following is valid project key performance indicator? Stop. Very good. Yes. Milestone achievement. Correct. Nice. Very good. But number 10. Which one of the following is captured? Yeah, I will take down, rolling up. I will capture. I will capture what? Capture in the work breakdown structure. The project, the lines, cycle, ولا geological, ولا the scope of the project, ولا project costs. Huh? We are lowest work package to reflect 100% what we are going to do. The scope. See, number 11. A cost breakdown structure. Remember when we had the guard room excavation work package, and we have excavation work package, and we have excavation backfill work package, and we said we will start down, and we get the cost for the 4 foundation excavation, the budget unit and unit rates multiply or each other, and in the end we get cost for each activity, and this cost reflect in the work package, above work package. Plus, I already told a cost of the ground structure, CBS, showing costs assigned to individual work packages using the work breakdown structure, ولا B individual resources, ولا C individual resources, ولا D individual deliverables. Which one? A guys, very important. Very nice. That number 12. Hell yeah. Hell. We are going to 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel. If all of you solve this question correct, we will go for 5-star hotel.
Before answering the question, here in Qatar, they always use a consultant, but he is not responsible for the finish of the project.
What?
Finish of the project. If any mistake happens,
I will tell you a story. With this story, we discuss. I will tell you a story now. Guys, stop now. The answer is A, or B, or C, or D? A? D? D. The answer is D. C. خلاص. I get the no 5-star hotel. I will give you a story. Okay. When we are working in Barwa Village project in Al-Khor, we have 100 building. This building contains almost around each building around 32 flats. Anyway, 32 flats, and we have 3 substations, and we have a very big mosque. And anyway, in the substation, there is some system, we call it FN 200. Anyone aware about FN 200 system, firefighting system? This firefighting system should be for a particular cases, for a particular area. Okay, who's specialist in mechanical engineers? A lot of mechanical engineers, they are specialists in such a system. We have drawings, we have specification, we have contract condition, we have tendering circulation, post-tender verification. We have all the project documents, starting from tendering stage until we start the execution. Right. When we are discussion in the progress meeting, we already conducting this meeting, and we have project manager. This is a project manager, and I am planning and cost control manager. I am keeping quiet because this is not my role to run the meeting, run the show. I am just listening. And our engineer, he's very clever guy. He have already certified for QC. In the meeting, I believe there is something missing here. We should provide an FM200. He said like that. The consultant side did this F200 in the specification? No. Like in the drawing? No. He's asking us. He's asking us. It's not, we are, see the scenario, see the scenario. He's asking us, this is in the drawing? No. This is in law? No. No, no. Why you are talking about the system? The consultant. Why you are talking? The guy who's his 50 getting red and embarrassed too much. I told them, wait. Why you are telling like that? We are just asking, maybe something. Why you are why you are just aggressive? We are just discussing. This is the progress meeting. The owner catches the discussion, and why not let us go for inquiry in QCD? Why not? Go tomorrow, you and go tomorrow. They went. They found out that we should provide FN200, which is special room attached to substation with a cylinder gas with a particular specification for the room, and I'm just involved in what I'm just involved in that I'm seeing what is the scenarios now, what is going on. Okay, it's a variation or not variation? So the guy, the project manager from client side is very professional. I'm still a member. He said, okay. Yes, sir. I advise your project manager to submit a request for further information.